No! No!
Hey, get out of the window, boys. Emu to my face? No.
No, go out. Go.
What in the world?
Go out. Thank you.
Where? Oh no. Oh. Oh.
I don't like to see you move. Can you get...
Hey, whoa, hey, that's a baby.
Daddy's hair is low quality. Oh my God.
No, don't emu. Get back. Get back. Dad, you have something. Get back.
Take a video of them. Oh no.
Can you leave?
Oh God, you stink. Okay.
No.
Hey.
No.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I haven't got. No.
Well, you're pretty. Hello. Wilson, his heart rate shot up.
His what? His heart?
rate shot up.
Why?
Because he's really scared of emus. Do we need to stay on the path,
So can
sweetie?
Yes.
Okay.
So can I feed, like hand feed?
Yeah. Yeah, flat hand.
I just wasn't sure if how people went around if they needed to.
Woo!
I don't trust the ostrich.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I don't trust
I mean, it doesn't hurt. It just is shocking.
Look at this one following us. Here's the camera. I'm taking some pictures, but
Okay, I'm going to try and call Mamie.
Yeah, this is fine.
can you? I can't tell. It looks like someone's behind us. Can you pull over and do they need to pass
You're going
us?
slow too.
Amy, pick up.
Nope, we don't have food for you.
No, we do, but I'm not giving it to you.
She didn't answer. She might call back. Look at him running.
Run, run, Rudolph.
Note to self, do not ever bring Will to.
Or just confirm them before he comes. Look at these guys under the trees.
Hi, babies. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Can I see the camera?
Tillman, your side. Hey, now.
Hi. You're so pretty. You're so pretty too, and you're in the car. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi, babies.
Hi.
Hi. Can we keep going?
Can we pet them?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. No, don't nibble my fingers.
Okay. Can we keep going, please? Back up. Back up. I don't want to run you over. Back up. Hello, pretty dears. You're so pretty.
I'm all scared. If you just see an emu or an ostrich running at you, so
They were very gentle emus.
Yes.
Nicer than the Hollywood ones.
capybara.
I haven't seen no capybaras. Is there one?
Oh, there he is all the way in the back.
Oh, there they are. Those are big boys.
Those are chunky.
Oh, look at the
Those are
little guys.
Patagonian. Mara.
I don't know how to say that. Wow. That's a big one.
That is a big boy.
There's your baby. Oh, there's a llama or a alpaca.
Why are you coming this way?
Hello. Would you like a treatsies? Hello.
You can roll your window up before they get here if you want to. You're not supposed to roll your window up on them.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, if the big one's coming, I'm all. Oh. Look.
Well, look at mommy's.
They have a little thing in their mouth.
Hello.
I want to feed him. I'm scared.
Hello. An alligator. Are you an alpaca? Whoop, whoop, hello.
No. No gobble. No.
What you think, Till?
I love it.
Look at these guys too. They're like, oh, can I eat that? That's a
He's
camera.
like-
I'm yawning.
Hello. You're so cute. Okay, can we move on? I do have. What are you eating?
Nothing?
Oh, I do have more bags. I got 5.
Dang.
Wow, okay.
She said 1 per person. Okay, can we move on?
And you said we're overachievers?
She said at least 1 per person, and I was like, oh, okay. Well, we have 4 people. So, hello, baby.
I'll give it food. Oh, hi, guys. Can I pet those? I know.
Oh
but
boy, I didn't realize they were
Let me
big
feed
chunks.
the other one.
I thought they were like little
Don't
kibble,
be
not
selfish.
giant.
Don't be
You didn't
selfish.
pay anything yet?
Don't be
No,
selfish. No,
I've been holding the baby.
don't be selfish. Thank you.
That's smart, though. Then it doesn't end up all over your car.
Yes.
All right, guys, move on.
Bye-bye. You can nibble my finger.
Excuse me. Aggressive alpaca. We would like to move on. Let the truck behind us have a turn. Hello. He's like, I go with you?
Oh,
Oh, look at him all.
turn on.
Oh, wow. Look at you.
There,
Look at you.
Oh, he's got huge antlers. They are beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
Oh. There he comes.
You gotta eat the whole thing when you take it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pet you.
We're on this
Am I
road.
allowed? Oh, hi. I'll feed you.
Oh, you dropped it.
Hi. Hi, buddy. No, you're very selfish.
Okay, we're moving on.
Okay, bye-bye. Here you can, I'll stop for you.
Oh, look at those big guys up there.
Mine? Someone to say? I don't think they are. Oh, there's a zebra. Oh, cow. Or bull. No. They would not have bulls. Most likely. They might. I don't think they would, though.
Some sort of cattle.
Cute.
A steed. Because those aren't quite longhorn. I don't know what they are. Yikes.
Daddy's like, I'm just gonna launch it at him. Oh, hey, big boy. Eat more chicken. Oh my God, he's huge. Oh my God.
Oh,
No eating the baby. Oh, he drooled all over me.
Get back! Get back! Hey! Get back! Get back out of the car! Back up! Back up! Back up!
What's up?
Thank you for listening. That was very polite.
No, that's my foot. Back up.
We're friends.
You're friends.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
That's disgusting.
Oh, hi.
No,
Throw it in there, Jill.
Oh, that's gross. Your baby. Your baby. Here. Okay. Okay. Ah, no. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Here. Here. Oh, God. Oh, oh. You're scratching my car. Okay. Okay. Why is this so hard?
Oh, God, they're just feels like sandpaper.
No, move on. Move on. Move on. Little deer entourage.
Ooh, a wildebeest. Right? Isn't that what this guy is?
Oh, the donkey just cut me off. He's like, ah. Whoa. You're hitting cow kisses. Okay, okay. No, let's feel my bag. Okay.
Come out a little bit, Jill.
No, don't
Get your ears.
He's trying to eat me. Oh, no, I'm giving you it. I'm giving you it. I missed.
You did miss. Okay, okay. Hello, baby. Hello.
No, here. No, you just want pets. Oh.
Hello, horsey.
Ah.
Hello.
Back up. No, no licking the baby.
We're gonna have to take a bath after this. Hi, guys.
Hi, horsey.
I don't have anything.
Did you back up? No? He's like, I can't eat the food if I back up.
Here, 1 second. I'm going to try and have Everett give him some food.
Not the horse. He's got big teeth.
Oh, what's up? What's up? No, my girl.
Whoa!
Okay, 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 okay. No,
You got girl.
no,
Hi.
no, no. We're moving on. Moving on now. Guys,
No.
Oh, what's up? Listen.
guys, guys, go get the truck.
That's his friend.
Hi, donkey. Hi, hi. Oh, oh, you got some big teeth. Yeah, thank you. That was so gentle. That was a gentle small bite.
I'm not even really feeding him.
That was so gentle. You guys are gonna have to be faster. Look at the little baby.
Oh yeah, there's one on this side. Coming.
Wow. Look at your baby. He's your baby. He's your baby. He's your big mama. Hello. Hello, pretty dears. Hello.
No eating the camera.
Oh, you're so handsome. I feel like they're just knowing.
Are you feeding them? Where did you come from? You came back. You came back.
They don't like me. That's mine. You do.
Flat
Oh
hand.
my. Yeah, are we actually friends now? Like, hey. Oh, no.
donkey. Could we share with some other animals? Look at that little baby. Nico. Here, you want some? You want some? Sort of want to keep a bag, take it home, see if we can feed our deer.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, little baby. There you go. He's eating a stick. He's eating a stick.
Is this car behind you bothering you?
A little.
No, it's for Gloria. Kind of.
I'll tell her you said that.
Is there a spot to pull
No,
over
tell Gloria. No,
to let
don't.
them pass?
Look,
There hasn't really been. I
Okay.
mean,
I'm really low, so I can't see very well.
I'm gonna sit up a bit.
okay, remember, do not.
Feed the zebras hate.
Right.
Hey,
How about here?
oh no. Oh! Yeah. Eat my food. Oh. Oh no.
Can you hand me my drink, please? I had a lid. What happened to my lid?
I have no idea.
No. No.
What if we albino deer over here behind us?
No. Look at that little baby. Hey! Hey! Stop looking in the car. Stop it. No.
Zebra. Nope. No.
I
No.
would pet you, but I don't.
Black guy to the left.
I don't think we can pet you, buddy.
No. No. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Feed my friend.
Oh gosh.
Just feed my
Okay.
friend.
Okay.
No, zebra. Zebra.
Back up, zebra. Cow.
Zebra. Can we stop?
Okay. Okay. That's good. That's
Let's
good.
stop.
Back up. Back up.
Can we stop?
Back. Get back. Get back.
No, the zebra just opened his mouth. Like.
Get.
I can't turn my back to take a picture because I'm gonna get licked by a cow.
Oh no, there's two. Ah. Okay. Okay. I was too slow. Okay.
Wait, which one's my
Okay.
friend? Probably the one that's
look,
coming.
This is my last bite. Go get it.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, I have a ton. Can you?
Could you two go on? Go on, zebras.
I want my friend.
You want your cow? He's over here.
No, that's not my cow. My cow's over there.
Okay, guys.
back up.
Look at his antlers. Look how fuzzy they are.
Are y'all my friends?
I keep pushing him away and then he comes right back.
Yeah.
fighting.
He's
He's aggressive.
Stop! Don't eat my steering wheel.
He's gonna drive.
That's rude. That's rude.
These zebras are rude. You just nibbled at my shirt.
No, 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 no. Get back. Get back.
Hey,
Get back, please. He's just gonna follow us, isn't he?
Yes.
They're so pretty.
Stop. No. Yeah.
No licking the baby.
Stop. We hit the car. No. Zebra.
What's he doing?
Zebra. No. Zebra.
Push his head, Till.
Stop. Yeah.
No, we're not supposed to touch the zebras.
Oh.
They're mean.
No licking the baby.
What's up?
No. I don't need to tongue the baby.
Hey, or the car.
You spit it out.
Zebra. Zebra. No.
No. Okay.
Just drive.
I'm driving.
Just go.
Slowly so he doesn't.
Stop.
I have an insurance claim. What happened to the zebra? Ate my car.
I think there's legit teeth marks in the dash from the zebra.
There is.
Oh, that's a treasured memory. No, guys. Oh.
Fun too.
No.
I'm surprised Everett hasn't started to cry or anything.
Oh, hi, donkey.
Hi, Donkey Dong.
I haven't really had. Oh.
Hi, Donkey. Can I have some more food?
You have the bags, I thought.
Where's the black bag?
I thought it was up there.
Is it down there in the floor too with you?
Oh, look at that baby horsey in front of us.
Wait, oh.
You are beautiful.
Donkey.
Whoa, flat hand. Oh, he choked your teeth. Come on, is there another bag of food in there, buddy? Hi. Hi.
Wait, listen. Oh, it was a cute. Yeah. The bags are in there.
What's making that, a deer?
Did you hear that?
I'm not sure. I think it's the deer. I don't think it's Everett.
It's not Everett. But is it the donkey or the deer?
I
Ooh,
think it's donkey.
he's got scary teeth.
What am I doing?
That little dog, horse.
Who is this? Oh. They're just friends. You haven't made any friends.
Donkey, is it a little Highland cow?
Whoa, look how thick that guy's horns are. The brown guy on the right.
Not my fingers.
I don't think they're the fur.
Hi, you're a cutie. You're a very slobbery cutie, but you're a cutie.
You are one. Are you?
I don't know.
You are not.
No, could you get out of the car? You are way up in here. Okay. That's too little,
Become friends.
little too much slobber for me.
No licking the baby.
Woo, he does have some big old horns.
No, I don't have it. Melissa.
Donkey next to you, legs.
Hi. Hi, cute boy.
Why'd you not pet them?
Hi, cute boy.
Just pet them.
You are the sweetest donkey I've ever met. He has small bites.
And like the only one.
No. Okay.
I'm out of food.
Sir? Could you move? Is this a tactic? You just nodded your head at me. Okay. Oh.
Hi.
Okay. No.
No.
There you go. I got you some. There you go.
This is what vacation
I mean, he stopped traffic for everybody. We need to share. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we're going to move on now. Okay? Okay. We're going to move on. Yep.
Goodbye. With like those, just try, like pretend like you're gonna touch her horns, and then they'll kind of back up. Just like
Little donkey. That's good. Bye-bye, donkey. I don't think you're supposed to follow us with this next area.
And you're not supposed to eat the camera. It's not for eating. He's like, I think it is. You're hanging it out the window, so it must be for eating. Oh, I got duckies over here
Ducky.
by the fence behind us.
Ducks.
Oh, I see 'em. Hello, babies.
I'm surprised how they discovered that this food feeds basically all of them.
Well, this is grass and stuff that then they just squeeze into pellets. Oh, Tillman, now you can see the duck.
He's hungry too.
You little wagging your thumb.
Is that a camel up there?
Yes, it is.
Camel.
Yeah, you want some?
Up on the hill.
You're not sure yet, are you? Come on, come get some.
This is probably the close. Oh, it's wagging its tail. Look at it. It's wagging its tail.
Okay, okay, you want some?
Wagging. Look at
You
that.
want some? Okay, okay. Okay, I'll give you some. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Whoop. Left hand, not fingers, Tillman.
Oh, look at the brown
Oh,
deer.
like this?
No, just
Oh, yeah, like that.
underneath them. No, don't give them your fingers first. The babies aren't sure. They're like, I don't know. Stick it out the window, Dill. You're a hungry hippo, you little
But they're
brown
just
deer.
in the window. Goodbye. Bye.
Can you flip the air like down or something?
Did I make
I'm not.
you friends?
It's warming up down here. I don't know if that's changed the blowing on the feet versus the head or.
Look at it.
Oh, look at the geese almost lined up on the hill. Oh, there's a bunch of camels.
Hello. Do you like some? No? Not enough to come up here? Would you like some? Instead of, they don't go to a drive-thru, they have drive-by food.
No, I just want to get the smoke. Oh. Look at that big one.
Let's look at this guy hoofing it over here. Look at him.
Oh. Water, water,
He's
water.
like, I'm hungry. I'm coming. I'm hungry. We're coming to eat. Are you albino? You came out this way. Are you going to come eat? Come on. Can we
Feed
just
the-
row it?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
two. Yeah. Oh!
Oh, look at him frolicking.
Oh, some more.
You don't want to come close? You don't trust yet? That's okay. Here. I want a picture of the albino deer. You are albino. You are cute though. Yes, and you are brown.
We need to take a picture of the buffalo and tell Jordan she didn't need to go all the way to the national park.
He's like, hold on, I'm coming. Yeah.
I can't pet these. I don't like them.
I think these are a little bit more timid. Not this one.
The cows are the only ones that have let me pet them, I think.
Thanks, but no thanks.
You can come to my side.
No.
Come to
They're
my
molting. Oh, look at that guy. He's been rolling in it on Tillman's side.
Yeah, I don't really want you. I really don't. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, come here, come here,
Oh,
come here.
you want him? Okay.
Watch out, Lisa.
Oh boy. Oh Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. Get back.
He loves.
Get back.
Oh my. Oh my.
Back up. Back up. That's my arm. You are huge. Oh, God. Get back. Get back. Back up. Oh, and you stink. Oh, God, you stink. Oh.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Oh,
There's
dear.
another friend.
Dear, move, please. Move, please.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, slobber on my leg.
How are you the only ones that?
No, I wanted to grab some fur.
I've gotten messy to them, but they haven't like spat on me or anything.
Oh, I am covered in slobber.
Don't say hi.
Hi, baby.
Think you got food for me?
This is the funnest I've had in a while.
This one just is no fun and this is little hard.
Oh, that's a little baby buffalo.
Luna. Hello, Luna.
How do you know it's
Hey,
Luna?
where's my
Oh.
things? Yeah, you want pets, Luna? Yeah, hi, Luna.
Oh.
Oh, you want food? Okay.
Oh.
There you go. You want some more? Okay. Yeah, Luna. Yeah,
Hi, you
yeah.
can have some. You can have some. You want some?
Goodbye.
Not my fingers.
Oh, okay. Aggressive blow on me. Sorry.
Bye,
sorry.
Luna. Oh.
Sorry. I'm almost out.
That one's taking a bath.
Oh,
Hey, little baby. Excuse me, dear. I would like to photograph the thing in the
Oh,
water.
camel on Tillman's side.
Yeah.
throw it in the. I was
There's
trying.
a buffalo in the water back here. Oh, and an alligator. I think it's a fake alligator, though. You see it over there? Place?
Oh, yeah, that's
I think it's fake, at least.
very still.
Yes.
Why would they have now?
This one's like, you feeding me?
Hi. I feel like you're the one that stopped traffic a little bit ago.
Yeah, I saw you earlier.
There you go. There you go. Can we move on, please? Your feathers are beautiful. You're beautiful. Oh, where are you going? No. Okay. No.
Should we just secretly take a bath on
There's a couple extras. We don't need a whole bag.
Don't we have another bag? There's another bag in there?
No.
We gonna throw it?
Yes.
I have half a bag back here.
I gave you 2 bags, did I not?
I started with one. This is my second
Yeah.
bag.
I gave y'all both 2 bags.
The white emu is pretty small.
Oh, look at that one running up Tillman's side.
I'm the only one who didn't get 2, but I don't care.
Oh, there's another water buffalo in the lake. He's walking. Tillman, watch.
One coming up on your side, Tillman. Hi.
Nope, back up. Back up. Back up, emu.
Okay.
Oh, that was freaky.
What? What?
1 second. I want to try and see if I can capture it.
I'll have it. I'll have it. No.
Well, that one wasn't big enough.
You better not.
1 second, sweetie. There's one.
No. You would really have to put on that.
Okay, we can go. I can see it going down his throat.
Look at the little bitty one.
You kicking? You saying I'm a little bitty?
You are a little bitty. You think somebody would notice if you just stuck him in the car? You're so weirdo. No. It's a baby.
Can you take a picture?
It's a baby.
No. I wanted to take a picture with her. Or her. Not you.
Do you want your iPad, Phil?
No. I want like.
Okay, I took his picture.
I want to take like.
Oh, the deer. Here.
Ostrich or emu. Get out.
You on your side, Lace.
Hello.
Is this an ostrich? How do you tell?
I don't know.
Emus are smaller. Ostriches are much bigger.
Oh. So I'm guessing the one that's following me is an ostrich.
Bye bye, baby.
No, these are all emus, I believe.
Bye bye. Now I get one. They sell a towel in the gift shop that says, I got slobbered on.
Ooh, look at that emu, the white one over on Tillman's side, like fluffing up.
Ooh,
Oh, straight ahead there's something really tiny behind the white cow. You see him straight ahead, sweetie?
Oh, you fluffy.
Well, I meant the little thing way out there, the black thing out in the middle. It's walking next to the sunshade.
The little donkey?
Yeah. That almost looks like a Highland cow a little bit.
Yeah, come on, let's take a picture.
Hi, you're pretty.
Emu on your side. No, this is my bag. You don't get the whole bag.
Goodbye.
You're pretty. You got like pretty blue eyes. Oh, that's too much. Oh, now there's a pretty donkey in the way. I'm trying to get this pretty emu. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. He's like, I know it. Look at the mama and the mama and the baby.
That's an ostrich.
Oh, yep, that's an ostrich.
We should probably.
That is
Terrifying.
Uncle Will's nightmare fuel.
And that is terrifying.
Oh goodness, what is it, baby? Hi. I still don't think I have a little service. Let's try maybe again.
Call Jordan.
There. Can
Hey.
you not FaceTime?
Yeah, we don't have.
Oh, yeah. I see. Oh, wow. Look how big his rack is. Oh, man. Hey, Tillman, isn't that awesome? Oh, an ostrich. Is Everett asleep?
No.
What does he think about it?
Here, go back here, sweetie.
Hello,
Where?
buddy.
Where?
Show the camera to Everett. Ah, I'm trying to feed this big guy with the cow, and the ostrich stole it. Hey!
That's cute.
No licking the baby.
Thanks for calling me.
Look at that albino one. You see him out there?
That's mine.
Look at that albino deer. You see him out there?
I can't see him clear, but I see him way out there. What color is he? White?
Yeah, he's all white.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, that looks like a fun place.
It is very fun.
Where is it?
Hartwell, Georgia.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's not too far. Oh, I see it. Wow. Is that not where we took Camel?
No, y'all went to North Carolina.
Shelby. We went to Shelby, he said. Look at him, how beautiful. Tillman, isn't he beautiful? Wow, look at that.
Here they're walking towards us on Tillman's side. Where'd the actual ostrich go? Oh, he's under the tree.
He's following the truck. That's fine. He can go.
No licking the baby.
Oh,
You're drooling all over me. No, licking the baby.
hey, Everett, he is asleep. He looks asleep. Hello, Everett.
You talking to him, buddy?
Hello. Get him, Tillman. Get him. There you go. Good job.
No.
What, does he want to feed him?
I can't.
No, they keep trying to lick Everett. They think he's food. Don't you bite at me.
Yes, I'll let him lick him. I'll let you go, because he's going to cry. Bye-bye.
Bye. I know, isn't he beautiful?
He's only got one horn.
You're beautiful from afar. Thank you. You are so cute.
Look at the little baby on your side, sweetie.
I know. He's so cute. Huh?
Should probably make some friends before I go.
Look at how tiny he is. Hey, did you just bite him? That was rude. He's so little.
Aww, it's the nicest one yet.
Aw, is he snuggling you? Aw, you getting a mommy snack? The baby. Is he licking you?
Is this an emu?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I pet
Plus
it?
the
I feel
ostrich
like I
is
shouldn't.
different color. See how the ostrich has brown feathers and all the others are not brown?